Sunlight on the sea feels like pure infinity. Every wave keeps calling me to where I wanna be.
Some memories remain, flowing softly through my veins. Every heartbeat feels so free, like eternity.
Take me higher through the light,
lift me closer to the sky, carry me beyond the tide. Keep this dream alive. Summer never ends tonight, burning through the endless light. Every heartbeat feels so true, every road returns to you. Take me where the ocean shines, let your heartbeat follow mine. Even when the stars appear, stay forever here.
paradise, eternally. Every sunset leaves a trace of the beauty we embrace. Every whisper from the sea brings you back to me.
Even when the daylight dies, you're the color in my skies. In the rhythm of the tide, you're still by my side.
If tomorrow fades away,
Would our hearts still choose to stay?
or keep floating through the blue?
Oh, like our love is new. Summer calls me back again, like an everlasting flame. Every piece of me still flies when I see your eyes.
Even oceans lose their glow, even rivers cease to flow. Even if the seasons change, love will still remain.
Don't let go. Hold me close. Love like ours will never fade, even when the skies turn gray. Through the sunshine